Hello everyone, welcome to Education World. Myself Ajay Kumar, your maths tutor, faculty member at Education World. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Education World EW. Thank you. Don't forget it. So let us today start with a new topic, that is factorization. It is very important topic, factorization. So factorization means to factorize the given polynomial. Means for given polynomial, I can write them as a product like x plus 2, x plus 3. So these each x plus, if I will take, so if I multiply them, I will get a polynomial. So if I will multiply, we will get polynomial. So each of this one is called the factor of the given polynomial. In the other case, I can say that polynomial is the reverse case. Reverse means from this one multiply, you will get the given polynomial. And from polynomial, if you will go this one, this is called factorization. You are making the factors. Okay, so there are basically one method is there for factorization. So very interesting topic actually it is. First method is by taking common. You can factorize. Then another one is by grouping. Means this taking common, same, don't be feel that you cannot understand this topic. Why? Taking common, in the lower classes you are finding HCF, highest common factor, that you will take common, that is called. Then grouping, by making them appropriate grouping. So this is the method. Then first of all we will do this method, not going too much in the deep, otherwise you will feel confused. So I am taking an example. Suppose that question is given 8ab square plus 12a square b. So HCF you will find HCF for 8 and 12. Then you can also find rest. I will tell you, always take minimum power common. So for 8 and 12 you can use any method for finding HCF. So HCF, like here in the division method, like this one you are finding. I am just giving the example so that there will be no confusion for you. So this last term what we got is called HCF. So 4 is common from the numeric. This is the numeric way. And see here it is power 2, here it is power 1. Wherever no power, it means 1 is there. So 1 is less or 2 is less. So 1 is less, so you will take A common. Same is the case for B. B is having 2 power, here B is having 1. So 1B you will take out. Now this 8, 4 you have taken, so when you will divide, it will be 2 here. Out of 1a, 1 you have taken, so no a is inside, only 1 is there. Then 2 b's are there, 1 you have taken, so 1b is there, left out. Plus again, now 12 you can divide with 4, what you will get? 3. And out of 2a, 1 you have taken out, so 1 is still inside. The same case is for b. 1b is you have taken out, so 1b is already here. So it means nothing is left out. But don't put a 0 because you are dividing. HCF is the highest common factor to which you can divide. So this is your factorization by taking common out. Now in case of brackets, these are the single terms. So in case of brackets, we will follow the same rule. I will take general question. 4x plus y square minus 3x plus y. Okay, now this type. So 4 and 3 nothing have common except 1. So but see here, bracket is there, same bracket is here, but here power 2, here power 1. So what power? Minimum power you will take common. So I will take x plus y. So 4 is still inside because nothing is we have taken from 4. So here it is 2x plus y are there. So 1 I have taken, it means 1 is still inside. Minus. So here out of 3 we have not taken anything. So this is 1 only. So 1 I have taken. So this will be our result. Or you can say that x plus 1. This will be 4x plus 4y minus 3. So we'll take one question from the exercise like your first question. 3a square minus 9ab. So quite easy. 9 and 3, it is 3. You know that. A square is there, A1 is there, so minimum power A. So here no B is there, here it is B. We cannot take common because in HCF you have to take common out. So 3 you have taken, A square, 2A are here, 1 you have taken, so 1 is left out. Minus, so when 3 you will divide, it will be 3. 1A you have taken, but B is still inside. Okay, so in case of bracket, I will take now second question for brackets. 2x plus y cube minus 6x plus y. Now 6 and 2, what is common? What is common? Division method I have shown you here. With the help of division method, this is, you can find wherever the remainder is 0, that divisor is called HCF. So here it will be 2. Now here it is power 3, here it is power 1. So I will take only one power. So here 2 I have taken, 1 power. So what is left inside? X plus y square minus, now 6 I will divide with 2, I will get 3. So one bracket is here, 1 I have taken common. So one more question I will take so that your confusion will go. Third question I am going to take. It is x cube, then 2x minus 3y minus x square and 2x minus 3y square. So x cube, x square. So minimum is, this is one term, this is second term. It should be very much necessary that you know that which terms, how many terms are there. So terms multiply and division, we are considering one term. Separation by plus or minus will give us the next term. So here x square is common. You can see here it is x3 and here it is x2. So I told you what I told, minimum power. Yeah, so minimum power, here it is power 1, here it is power 2. So minimum power, it will be 2x minus 3y. Now what is inside? In place of 3 you have taken 2 out, so 1 is still left. Here 1 is you have taken common, minus you have taken 2 common, so no x outside. 1 you have taken common, so 1 is still inside. This can be solved, so we will solve further. Inside the bracket we can solve further. Okay, it's a very interesting topic, beta. If you will, once you understood, you can do yourself. The first thing is that you have to practice. If you are not practicing, then you cannot, because this all work is depending upon your hard work. So minus x minus 3y. Now you can say that minus is also common. See here, I can take, no problem, we can take minus x square, 2x minus 3y and x. Now this all will become plus because minus we have taken out. Now another method is grouping. Grouping means you are grouping the things. Grouping means you are making them together. Together how? I will just give you the example. AP, if I will take this polynomial BC plus AX plus CX. So if I want to take common from it, how can I make the grouping? First of all, forming groups. So groups you have to make. So I am going to make this is into group and this is into group. So what is AB plus BC in one group I will put, and here AX plus CX I will put in another group. Now two groups are here. So what is common? Here anything is common. You can see B is common. So I have taken B common. So B is common here. Here X is common. Okay, taking common factors. Second step is taking common factors out. Okay, so taking common factors out. How you will take? taking common factors out. This is the process. Now again this and this bracket is common. That is why first topic is very much necessary. That what is that one? Factorize by taking common out. Here also common out, here also common out. You can see a plus c is common. So what is inside left? b plus x. Even you can check that your factors are okay or not. How? These two brackets, when you will take common these two brackets, whatever it will come here, they are always same. If they are not coming same, you have to check. It means your grouping is wrong, or you are taking common out factors are wrong, or something is wrong is there. Until and unless these two brackets are not same, you cannot say that your grouping is correct. These two brackets, always it will be same. So another portion in this topic will be like here. A minus b minus 1. So here you can say that, you can see, if I will group this one here, I am not getting same, because here it is ab square, here it is 1. So I have to open. I can change the position of the terms according to if grouping is not correct. So minus ab, here it will be minus and minus, plus b and minus 1. Okay, so now you can see here, you can see here what is common. Here it is a and 1 b, because a is also power 1, b2 b1. So b I will take common. A I have taken, so I will not write a here. There are two b's, so out of 2 1 I have taken, it will be 1 minus, so ab I have taken. Now see, the next one is almost same, so I will put plus 1. I will take common because 1 is everywhere, you can take plus 1. Now again these two brackets are same, so I will take common. So inside what is left out? ab plus 1. Okay, is that clear to everybody or not? So one more question I am going to take, your exercise 5th question. It is a cube plus a minus 3 a square and minus 3. So out of this one I will make group, and this I will take. If not, I will change the, you can change the pairing unless and until you will not get both the brackets same. You have to change, there is no other way. a 3 a1, so 1 is common inside. 3 out of 3 1 I have taken, so plus 1. See here, now it is plus 1. If I will see here, it is 3 is there, but both the terms are of negative, so I have taken negative common. Now you can say, see here, again both the brackets are same. So you can do sometimes you have to change the grouping. Like we can take any question, like there, this one a square. Here we should know that what formula will be there. Now see how many terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 terms are there. 5 pairing is not possible because pairing is of 2 2. It means there is, if I will see here, there is a some kind of 5 is common. It means this is the formula. This formula you have already done it when we have done expansions. I think this one is 1 plus 1 by a whole square formula. Am I correct? And from here minus 5, if I will take common, it will be a plus 1 by a. Okay, now power 2, power 1. So a 1 by a, it's power 1. So a plus 1 by a, first bracket. Out of the second, what is left? Only 5, because this I have taken common. So this also comes under the category of grouping. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel Education World EW. Thank you. We'll meet again.